Hoe gaat it, guys, and welcome to Paramaribo, the capital of Suriname. This will be the start of what will be a worldwide adventure, and I'll be visiting here over the next couple of weeks together with my family and exploring it really for the first time as an adult. Hopefully you and I can both experience the country and see what it has to offer. Let's go check it out. Suriname is a country situated on the northern coast of South America. Despite its population of only 600,000 people, it has an extremely rich culture and history. With over half the country covered in dense Amazonian jungle, it also has some of the most untouched natural beauty in the world. Indigenous South Americans originally populated the area, but in the 17th century the Dutch fought the British for the land and made a deal for Suriname in exchange for New Amsterdam, now known as modern-day New York. The Atlantic slave trade, as well as workers from Indonesia, China, India, and other small groups made Suriname a fascinating and diverse place. After gaining its independence in 1975, it has experienced periods of political and economical difficulty since, but despite its issues, Suriname is truly a hidden gem. Today I'm driving from Paramaribo, the capital of Suriname, deep into the interior of the country, where escaped slaves during the Dutch colonial period, locally referred to as Maroons, learned to live from the land and formed villages in the interior which they made into their new home. These villages and towns now dot the riverside along with small eco lodges that Surinamese people of all backgrounds use to enjoy the interior. That is our destination.
Why is everybody on a standstill?
Maybe it's police.
No. What?
Shall I go at all?
No.
And
I know you want to, but don't.
You know I want to go and arrange for it.
Yes. Excuse me, sir?
What happened?
No problem.
No, what's this? It's police. It's focus.
Maybe this is
Look at how many
What the?
just packed with cocaine.
But where are they going with all these containers?
I just have no clue.
So we're just taking this highway all the way to Achoni, right?
Not
Yes.
not all the way.
No, we are going in a side road somewhere.
Okay. And then we stop in
Achoni.
presumably a tiny little town or village and then take
there is a
a...
village and we drive through the village and then we arrive at this river.
Blauw meer gepasseerd, no?
Morgen gaat hij heen.
Heeft ze hem gezien?
Ja, want hij heeft me gezegd, mama, wat moet ik kopen? Want ik ga nu, papa is zijn eigen dingen aan het kopen.
We're
Now
in
we're
another
in
Sipaliwini. It's another
Sipaliwini?
It's the biggest
district.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's the Texas of Suriname.
The Texas of Suriname.
But big, but it's literally probably 80%
It's half
of the
of
country.
Suriname, yeah.
Isn't it like 80%?
No, but it's look, another
Matthew, you cannot say we're not
colony
in the
of
bush.
children.
Oh, we're definitely in the bush.
One of those kids.
Yeah.
Where you're going to their kosgrondje, as we call it, their where they planted their stuff, cassava.
Oh, it's like a farming area.
Yeah.
When I was flying over, it just looked like a big flat
Flat,
field
yes.
of broccoli.
That's what it is.
Just like you, your brothers.
But my hair is in green.
But
Yeah,
it is
that's true.
When you arrive, when you come and you're not used to it, then you just see one big broccoli. It looks like.
Oh no.
I usually get car sick, but actually I feel pretty good right now.
Yeah, because you're up front.
Oh yeah, is that the difference?
Yeah.
It does make a difference.
It's worse in the back than in the front. I forgot about it. I should have let you sit in the back.
Nope, not today.
I can't even say on the way back because I don't know how we got back.
We then arrived in Achoni and waited for a maroon boat to take us deeper into the interior. In the middle of the Amazon. That's pretty cool. Goeiedag.
Als het veel.
Well, I finally made it after a long journey on the boat out to... That was a huge dragonfly that just hit the door. But here I am in Knini Paati Resort, by an hour by boat and 2 hours by car from the capital city of Suriname. But looks pretty nice, actually. It's better than I was expecting. And there's a lot of expeditions and fun things to do along the way, so let's see how it is. Rainy is how it was. 2 straight days of rain. Not unexpected in the rainforest, but it still made it difficult to do anything but just relax at the cabin. There was a gap in the heavy rains on the next day, so we went out to swim in the shallow river rapids, or sulas as they're called. The trip to the Sulas and the interesting conversations with the local friends in the group we came with passed the time quickly. Before I knew it, it was already time to head back.
Oh, zijn niet veel mensen op Goezie?
Goezie en otherwise de kleinste dorp hier in het binnenland.
En jou?
Oh, jou is het 500 zoveel. Soms als je goed oplet, kan je ook die kaiman hier zien hoor.
Huh?
Als je goed oplet, kan je de kaiman ook zien. Hier. Als het water laag is, dan komt er hier een anaconda hierboven. Het is zo dik. Wat?
Anaconda.
Oh, Jesus.
Van 7 meter, ja. Kijk, het hele stukje hier. Mag je niet zomaar het water in. It's green or is it the water?
It's the water.
Ja, kijk hier nog.
Wat is dit hier?
Dit is ook een dorp. Dus al deze dorpen vanaf Goezie tot Adjoni zijn allemaal transmigratiedorpen, die dorpen in het stuwmeer waren.
Oh, oké.
Ja.
Maar jullie niet?
Nee.
Daarom, when they built the dam in the water, for the electricity, then a lot of villages went underwater, and that's when they came here.
Okay, I see. So the water levels were a lot lower before?
No, there was no water. The lake is man-made, still man.
Oh, okay, I see.
Because they put in the dam, so they destroyed all the
villages. Oh, okay.
And the people had to come here.
When was that?
1960s.
1960s?
That's why he said you cannot go to the city anymore with this, like this, because it's, the dam is in the middle.
So you have to drive to Achoni first and then take the boat. You used to be able to just go down the river?
Yeah.
Okay. We experienced yet another torrential downpour of rain, for which our guide was clearly much more prepared than we were. But just as quickly as it came, it cleared up. And after an hour, we arrived safely in Achoni. Finally, after a short wait in the blistering heat, we got into a van and started the long drive back home. Alright guys, finally made it back after a long drive, ready to wrap it up for the day, but thanks for joining me. I'll be making more content from Suriname in the coming week or two, But until then, thanks for watching and talk to you next time. Tot ziens.